Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon? Here will top products review on Amazon.
Number 5. Laminator 13-inch A3 Laminator Machine, 9-in-1 Desktop Thermal Laminator Never Jam 40 Laminating Pouches, Paper Trimmer and Corner Rounder, 1 minute fast warm-up home office school use, gray. About this item, our laminating machine can laminate up to 13 inches wide, features a 2-roller system and 2 temperature settings. The laminator comes with 40 laminating pouches of 6 different sizes, 4A3, 4A4, 8A5, A2, R8, 3, R8, 4R photo films, 1 paper trimmer, 1 corner rounder, 1 hole puncher and 3 binder rings to get you started. Note: please open the top cover of the 13-inch laminator to get the extras. Laminator warms up within 60s. It's quiet and has a laminating speed of 450 mm per minute while avoiding wrinkling, blistering, and curling after being upgraded. Acquire our faster preheating and higher laminating speed lamination machine to save your precious time. And, built in a 2-roller heating system, supports both thermal and cold lamination. Compatible with any 3mm and 5mm thermal pouches, the machine is ideal for laminating photos, recipe cards, arts and crafts pieces, and more. For avid lamination machine users, say goodbye to paper jams. Our 13-inch laminator comes equipped with an ABS jam release button, an ingenious solution to occasional hiccups. Easily remove jammed documents by pressing the button. Top tip: insert the sealed pouch end to prevent jams. This laminator has a 13 inches wide entrance for laminating A3/A4/A5/A6 size paper and more. Compatible with 80-125 mic laminating pouches, that's amazing for paintings, menus, letters, certificates, postcards, photos, ID cards, and tags. Preserving long-lasting important document. Number 4. Amazon Basics 12-inch Thermal Laminator Machine. White about this item: thermal laminator for laminating documents up to 12 inches wide, accommodates legal and letter-sized paper, photos, and more. Includes 1. 12-inch wide laminator machine and 20. 3mm thick laminating pouches in various sizes, compatible with any 3mm or 5mm laminating pouch. Mil refers to thickness of lamination film. 2 heat settings: 3mm, best for normal documents, photos, and cardstock, and 5mm, best for thinner papers. Quick 3 to 5 minute warm up with ready indicator light. Do not attempt to use before warm up is complete. Jam release lever for easily clearing paper jams. Product dimensions: approximately 17.9 x 4.4 x 2.6 inches, LXWXH. Note: reading the full user manual prior to the first use of this product is recommended. Number 3. Scotch TL901X Thermal Laminator, 1 laminating machine, gray, laminate photos, holiday decor, and gift tags, for holiday, office and school supplies, 9 inches. About this item: laminating machine, 1 Scotch TL901X Thermal Laminator to help you protect frequently used documents up to 9 inches. Wide professional finish, 2 heated rollers with 2 temperature settings create bubble and wrinkle-free results that give your holiday paper items a high-quality, professional appearance. Fast laminating, laminates 1 letter-size page per minute and has a release lever for quick pouch release to save you time during the busy holiday season. Ideal for creating marker-proof, tear-proof, and spill-proof paper items, making this laminator machine a great addition to your home office. Holiday and school supplies. How to use: use this thermal laminating machine to laminate photos, holiday signs and banners, Christmas gift tags, kids holiday artwork and place cards for your holiday dinner table. Compact laminator. Each package contains 1 Scotch thermal laminator that accepts both 3mm and 5mm pouches up to 9 inches. Wide laminating sheets. Thermal laminating pouches, Scotch laminating pouches, laminating paper, thermal laminating sheets, self-laminating sheets, Scotch thermal laminating pouches, Scotch laminating sheets, self-adhesive laminating sheets. School supplies. Laminator machine, laminating pouches, laminating machine, thermal laminating. No ISO certification information available. Number 2. Scotch Thermal Laminator, extra wide 13-inch input, Ideal gift for teachers, small offices, or home. TL1302X. White about this item. Number 1 laminating brand extra wide 13 input provides versatility for big and small projects. 1 minute warm up time reduces wait time and makes laminating more efficient. Laminates 11.8 per minute. 2 heated rollers create high quality professional, bubble and wrinkle free results. Includes convenience features like carry handle, cord storage, and auto shut off. Safe to use on photos to help preserve precious memories. Will laminate pouches up to 5 mm thick. This machine is only suitable for use with a grounded 120V outlet. Do not use laminator with a voltage or outlet converter for best results. Use with Scotch brand thermal laminating pouches that provide an ultra clear finish to let important information show through. Number 1. Fellows Ayla 125 with rapid 1 minute warm up paper laminator including pouch starter kit. 575-2001. About this item: compact and versatile, great for fun school projects or any lamination needs in your home office. Featuring easy to use control and compact size for effortless storage. Compatible with 3 or 5 mm pouches for hot or cold lamination. Seals documents of up to 12.5 inches to keep them neat and clean. No wait time. Machine is ready to use within 1 minute with rapid Insta-Heat technology. Comes with pouch starter kit and everything needed to laminate a document. Easy to use. Convenient release lever allows for pouches to be recentered or removed in case jamming occurs. Energy efficient and safe. Auto shut off feature saves energy and prevents overheating.